You are going to love the 2016 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.